Hi everyone! In this mini course, I'm going to show you how to create a horror game in Unity. I'll explain everything step by step as I go through the game, so you can see exactly how the system works. First, we'll build the swamp terrain using the Synty Swamp Pack. We'll design the environment and set the atmosphere to create a dark, immersive horror experience. The game includes quests that the player needs to complete. Meanwhile, there's a monster. And here's the twist. He only follows you when you're not looking at him. If you want to stop him from moving toward you, you have to look directly at him. But also implement a footstep sound system for both the player and the monster to increase immersion and tension. Each time you finish a quest, a head will spawn as a key. You need to collect 3 of these heads in order to escape this land. You'll also learn how to implement and use a flashlight system. There are 2 types of quests in the game: collecting items and tracking with objects. We'll also cover what happens if the monster catches you. Finally, we'll work on optimizing the game for mobile device to ensure smooth performance. Thanks for watching!